In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dashed or broken lines not displaying correctly in AutoCAD. This issue usually occurs when the line type scale is set too large or too small for the drawing. Start by selecting the affected line and confirming that a dashed line type has been assigned. Next, type LTSCALE in the command line and press enter. Enter a new scale value, such as 1, 10, or 0.1, then press enter again to update the display. If the dashed pattern still does not appear correctly, continue adjusting the value until the dashes become visible. Different drawings may require different line type scale settings depending on their size and units. You can also use region after changing the scale to refresh the drawing display. Once the correct scale is found, your dashed lines should display properly throughout the drawing. This simple adjustment can greatly improve the readability and professionalism of your plans. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.